best home remedies for nail growth. Olive oil. Before going to bed, apply warm olive oil to your nails and cuticles. Massage gently for 5 minutes. Wear cotton gloves overnight. Do this once daily. Coconut oil. Mix 1/4 cup of organic coconut oil, 1/4 cup of honey and 4 drops of rosemary essential oil. Warm the solution in the microwave for 20 seconds. Soak your nails in it for 15 minutes. Follow the remedy 1 or 2 times a week. Orange juice. Soak your nails in fresh orange juice for 10 minutes. Rinse them off with warm water, pat dry and apply some moisturizer. Follow this remedy once daily until you are satisfied with the results. Lemons. Mix 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 3 tablespoons olive oil. Slightly heat the solution in microwave. Soak your nails in it for 10 minutes. Follow this remedy daily.